Try to get this TMP. Try is the key word here. Let's see how we do. Oh, that's the spot I keep getting stuck at. I gotta run this. Alright.
How far could he have gone?
Let's see, we're not gonna do nothing. We're gonna run straight to the cabin without messing with anything here. Okay.
Anyone home?
Okay, I'm supposed to drop my stuff?
Not yet. Just go get through the cutscenes. Go to the room with the man.
I can still have my stuff for him? Well, I don't need him for him.
You just need that key out of there.
Right, but I'm saying should I wait to drop it?
Yeah. Just do exactly what the other videos.
Alright, let's try it.
Just cutscenes. Remember,
Oh yeah, I don't need to watch him do that. Alright, let me get that. Yep, that. Okay, let's go this way. Back out the same way we came in. Let's go through here.
And right before you walk up the stairs, that's what he
Creepy
did.
basement. Okay, so, but why do I need it if I'm not even...
I don't know.
Well, maybe because I need the flashlight to come down here or something?
But I don't know. But I guess you still got to go through the motions of being able to use your firearm and all that. Cutscene.
Yeah. Where is he coming down?
Back up the stairs when you go back up.
This way? Where the hell am I at? I thought it was this way.
What was that?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, yeah. Oh, wonderful. Run, bro. Now I drop it?
No, wait till you get out. Oh shit, wait.
That's what he... I think it's here.
Yeah. This guy, yeah.
I don't know. We'll see, right? I'm pretty good at running for my life. I know that. Let's try it. Yep. Okay. Drop everything and...
Get that health. Oh no.
No.
Right.
Can't get nothing.
But couldn't you use it though?
No, they see. I don't know. I'm just following. How? Nah. Come on now. Come on now. I just dropped my gun.
Oh, this cuts.
All right. Let's cut this scene through this.
Alright, just bust up.
All right. I'm busting up. Here we go. I'm a slow runner. I'll tell you that.
At least you don't get tired.
All right. I guess.
It's tempting not to kick those barrels.
Right. That's for sure.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot I'm not going there. Alright, now I gotta run from these guys because I can't mess with them.
Keep it moving.
Sorry, bro. You really want to fight? Oh my god! Damn it! No! God! What the hell? Right! Oh my god, go! I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Alright. I made it this far. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's go. Shoot. Where am I supposed to go?
Oh shit, somebody already doing
I don't know. Where's the box? Here it is. Open it. Open it. What in the world is going on here? I got it! I got it!
Okay.
Yes! I need the ammunition. Get out of my way. Kitchen knife, got it. Oh my god, how is there so many down here already? Bro. Oh, I already have it equipped. Why aren't I using it? Why isn't it letting me use it? Oh, there it goes.
You got that help?
No, I didn't pick up nothing. Oh, I got some right now.
Thank God. Thank God.
Take them both, you think?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're just trying to survive. You want to go back up or you want to stay down?
Oh shit. Oh, what in the world? I did reload. I tried. Can't see. It's so dark down here. How do we get out of here?
Back up that line. Oh my god.
Shit. Chainsaw guy! Chainsaw guy!
Oh, good one. You'll be down there in a second. What they got?
I think they got something.
Gunpowder, death phase.
Oh, baby. Whoa, what am I doing? Go! Ah! Oh my god.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
You can run in that room. Maybe they'll do that whole cut thing. Maybe they'll have to speed it up. Oh shit, you forgot the window. Y'all doing that window?
Oh shit. How? Oh, I'm dead. I'm for sure dead. Ooh, but I got the gun. I got the gun when I start.
Right.
So I just gotta bust down there and get some more. I don't even know if I want to go down there.
It's ammo down there.
Oh, but it's so trappy. You know, you're like trapped in that corner. Whew, I got it though. I got it.